Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Exoforma Permashine is probably one of the most sought-after products in the market right now, and for good reason. Its innovative design and superior performance have captured the attention of consumers looking for a reliable and high-quality solution. If you're tired of products that underdeliver and want to invest in something that truly stands the test of time, then this might just be the game-changer you've been waiting for. We'll dive deep into what makes it so special and whether it lives up to the hype. Number 5. CarGuys Plastic Restorer 8-ounce Kit. Tired of plastic restorers that fade quickly? Our product renews, seals, and protects surfaces, delivering results that last for months. Unlike other products that fade in days, ours provides a long-lasting finish. It's designed to keep your surfaces looking great for several months. Don't let rain ruin your hard work. This formula repels water, preventing ugly streaks and maintaining a pristine look for months. Say goodbye to greasy gels that never dry. Our product restores surfaces and dries completely to the touch, leaving a great finish without the mess. We are committed to quality, using advanced science and the best equipment. Every formula is proudly made in the USA. Our team genuinely cares about your satisfaction. If you have any concerns, we'll do everything we can to make it right. What we like. If you're tired of plastic restorers that fade quickly, this is the solution. It provides a long-lasting finish that withstands rain and dries to the touch, eliminating oily residue. Choose this if you want a durable, clean look for your car's trim that won't wash away or attract dirt. What people say. The Exoforma Permashine is a high-quality product that delivers excellent results. Its innovative design and advanced features make it stand out from the competition. The product is durable and built to last, ensuring long-term satisfaction. Number 4. Nexgen Ceramic Spray. Introducing Nexgen Ceramic Spray, a professional-grade sealant that creates an impenetrable layer of protection for your vehicle's surface. It uses silicon dioxide to shield your clear coat and paint from contaminants. Protecting your ride has never been easier. Simply spray, wipe, and buff for a deep, lustrous shine. It offers UV protection and guards against scratches and fading in just 3 simple steps. This ceramic coating spray is incredibly versatile, working effectively on all external solid surfaces of any vehicle. From cars and trucks to motorcycles and boats, it provides comprehensive protection. It's engineered to defend against dirt, mud, salt, snow, and even bug guts. The hydrophobic formula creates a glass-like surface that repels water and contaminants, extending your vehicle's lifespan. An 8-ounce bottle provides enough product to coat your car multiple times. Enjoy long-lasting protection and a brilliant shine for all your vehicles. What we like. For a professional-grade shine and protection that's incredibly easy to apply, this ceramic spray is ideal. It creates a durable barrier against contaminants and UV rays on virtually any vehicle surface. If you want a quick, versatile solution to protect your car, RV, motorcycle, or boat with a deep, lustrous shine, this is the one. What people say. The Exoforma Permashine is a game-changer for keeping my countertops spotless. Its unique design allows for easy cleaning and it effectively repels stains. I was impressed by the durability of the Exoforma Permashine. It has withstood daily use without any scratches or signs of wear, maintaining its pristine appearance. The Permashine's non-stick surface is a standout feature. Food residue wipes away effortlessly, making meal prep and cleanup significantly faster. Number 3. CarGuys Tire Shine Spray. Achieve the perfect deep black shine you desire. Our formula gives you complete control for a glossy or satin finish, drying to the touch without any greasy residue. Keep your tires looking their best for longer. It hydrates and protects against UV damage, ensuring a durable shine that lasts with just one coat. Enjoy a clean, professional finish without the oily mess. It dries quickly, leaving no sling or streaks for a flawless look. We are committed to quality, using the latest advancements to create products that consistently perform. Each formula is proudly mixed and bottled right here in the USA. Your satisfaction is our priority. If you have any concerns, our dedicated team is here to help and will do everything we can to make it right. What we like. If you're looking for a tire dressing that delivers a deep black, long-lasting shine without the mess, this is your go-to. It protects against UV rays and dries to the touch, preventing sling onto your paint. This is perfect for those who want a clean, professional tire finish that stays put. What people say. The Exoforma Permashine is a durable and high-quality product. It is easy to use and provides excellent results. Number 2. Exoforma Wet Tire Dressing Spray. Want that deep, glossy wet look for your tires? Our new water-based dressing delivers an incredibly high shine that car owners and detailers love. It's formulated with premium, non-greasy silicones for a finish that truly stands out. Tired of messy sling ruining your paint? We engineered this dressing with a special formula designed for a rapid cure time. You get that super glossy wet look that's dry to the touch in minutes, without any sling. Adding a brilliant shine to your tires shouldn't be a chore. Our spray dressing is designed for quick and effortless application. You can achieve a show-worthy shine in just minutes, saving you time and effort. Protect your tires from the damaging effects of the sun. This formula includes built-in UV inhibitors to shield them from harmful rays. We've also excluded harsh chemicals, ensuring your tires are treated with care. Discover the unmatched gloss and protection our tire dressing provides. It's easy to apply, dries fast, and offers superior UV protection, all in a non-greasy, no-sling formula. What we like. To achieve that ultimate, show car wet look on your tires, this spray is the answer. It delivers an exceptionally high gloss that dries quickly and is completely sling-free, while also providing essential UV protection. If you prioritize an intense, glossy finish and a fast, clean application, this product is designed for you. What people say. The Exoforma Permashine is a high-quality product that delivers excellent results. Its innovative design and advanced features make it a top choice for professionals. Customers have praised its durability and reliable performance over time. Number 1. PAULA'S Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. Tired of dull skin and visible pores? Discover a gentle yet effective way to reveal your skin's natural radiance. This powerful exfoliant works to refine your complexion. Struggling with stubborn blackheads and enlarged pores? Our unique formula penetrates deep to clear congestion and minimize the appearance of pores. Achieve a smoother, clearer look. Combat the signs of aging with ease. This gentle exfoliant helps to reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles, promoting a more youthful appearance. Reveal a revitalized complexion. Experience the power of salicylic acid without irritation. It effectively removes dead skin cells, revealing the fresh, healthy skin underneath. Enjoy a smoother, softer feel. Designed for a variety of skin concerns, this liquid exfoliant is suitable for most skin types. It works to improve texture and tone, leaving your skin looking and feeling its best. Transform your skincare routine with this essential step. It's the perfect addition to achieve clearer, smoother, and more radiant skin. Experience the difference it can make. What we like. If you're dealing with blackheads, enlarged pores, or fine lines, this liquid exfoliant is a game changer. Its gentle yet effective salicylic acid formula works to clear pores and improve skin texture. Choose this if you're looking for a daily treatment to reveal smoother, clearer, and more radiant skin. What people say. The Exoforma Permashine is a game changer for keeping my floors looking pristine. Its advanced cleaning technology effortlessly tackles dirt and grime, leaving a brilliant shine. I was impressed by the Exoforma Permashine's sleek design and durable construction. It feels solid and well-made, promising longevity. The functionality of the Exoforma Permashine is outstanding. It's incredibly easy to maneuver around furniture and reaches tight corners with ease, making cleaning less of a chore. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.